You are watching monthly update of Billboard Raw. Billboard like this. We're on Sunset Strip. I have to magnify because otherwise it's not gonna catch anything at night. I don't swim. Apparently pineapple marijuana delivery was replaced again with another marine recruitment poster. Previous marine poster, there was a guy running in the mud. Now some griefing. You barely see it because it's behind the wall. There's no way to say what it's about. So, Love Factory. Pretty busy here. Coronavirus doesn't scare them, people go in. Netflix, I guess. Rockman Stars. On My Block. Netflix. Spencer. Matt Wahlberg. HBO. Here is iPhone 11. PBS. Pink Taco. Birds of Prey. In theaters. Over there, Body Shop Striptease, 18 and over. On the roof over there, Baba, what the fuck, HBO, Tiger King, Netflix March 20. There is underwear poster, Dave, Narcos on Netflix, February. Over there, HBO, Tom Ford. Here is normally NBC local channel on TV. Here is Comedy Store. Sisters Lifetime. All glass back. Bulgari. Trolls. In theaters April 10. This is Amazon Prime. Big Billboard. Comedy Central, David Spade. Black Monday on this billboard. Pretty Little Thing.com, fashion or something. FX channel. Welcome to Freedom. Chumash Casino Resort. Local casino probably. Apple TV, I guess. I'm guessing. Is this USA channel? And here a lot of Spencer. So it's Kingdom. So there's Spencer Wahlburger. Wahlburger, it's restaurant, just past it. And this is Wahlberg. And another one. So it's already 4 Spencers so far. Altered Carbon on Netflix. This Tower Record store for lease is used as parking lot for offices. Next to me, very loud car stereo. Here. Alright, Sinner, USA channel, local NBC Voice, local channel 5. This is HBO usually. Plot Against America, March 16. Hourglass, some kind of fashion. And Apple Music lost this Billboard, I guess. Again, Narcos on the left. On the right, The Gentleman, January. It's old. Let's see what's there. Local channel 4 NBC. Okay. Self-Made on Netflix. Again, this Billboard, who knows what it's about. And TBS, Dark Ages. Over there, police harassing somebody with their bright lights. Now I'm gonna drive back and remind me, I'll show you Wahlburger restaurant. Here is Ben Affleck. Apparently he was born rich. Another Spencer. Here's HBO Westworld. And what's this? Ah, yeah. Weddings. And there's hotel. Life Truth. One Time Worldwide. Some kind of concert or something. One more. Disco lights. These two billboards. iPhone. This one and this one. Shot on iPhone 11. Some kind of alcohol. And whiskey go-go. And here uncensored. Website. outside. Shag Mag. Shagging magazine. Shagging magazine or something. Viper Room. These two billboards. The same. Netflix. Lock and Key. Some kind of mystery crime drama for children. USA Channel, Dispatch, another Netflix, All Bright Places. Alright. Motherland. Oh, the Petit Bistro already covered patio with plastic, so I wouldn't document lack of food. And this Disney thing, some chick with sword, and this is on the corner of Billboard restaurant. Okay, and I need to get thumbnail. There you go. Nike billboard with skateboard. E-channel. Woman with fork. Spork. This is Showtime. Some kind of rappers. Voice local NBC. Quiet Place. Is that woman from Burn Notice? Too much. Fashion. Clark Sisters Lifetime. Interrogation. CBS All Access at Streaming. What's that? Balenciaga. What is that? We vote tomorrow? I have no idea. Stars. Atlanta again. Louis Vuitton in dark. Good poster, but in dark. Spencer again. Too many Spencers. Alright. What's this? Food delivery through the app. Postmates. This is Saint Laurent garbage. Prada. Another Prada. This is Lady Gaga. Disgusting. Ugh, garbage. Target King, Netflix. Mask Singer was on the left. Ralph Lauren. Self-made. Again, Netflix. Tiger King. Some guy with sexual tigers, March 20. Murder, mayhem, madness. I guess he is a bad guy, works for circus. On my black. Secrets don't stay burned. Buried. Secrets don't stay buried. Another Kingdom, March 13. Lovebirds. And those Posters on the wall. Motherland. Okay. And this is Netflix. I'm not okay with that. Not very pleasant picture. Yeah. Alright, you were watching monthly Billboard update, March of 2020. See you next month. This guy wearing sunglasses.